at the end of third quarter. Can you even believe it? In fact, in less than 3 months, most of us will have decorated our homes already for the holidays. I know, that makes my stomach drop. It's gonna go so fast. Well, if adding a new home to decorate for the holidays is on your wish list, here's the merry news. We still have time to find that home. Not a lot of time, so don't wait too long. Call 913-449-1950 so we can plan a strategic way in making sure that the timeline matches you being in your home for the holidays, just in time to hang your stockings on your new mantle.